Letter of the week. Uh-oh. Letters of the week. Letters of the week. Hi guys, so it's Anais. Guess what letter of the week is? Can you guess for me? It's letter B.
What sound does B make?
B.
Can you give me some words that begin with the letter B?
Ball and doll.
Ball and...
A doll?
Does doll begin with B?
No.
What begins with B? You got ball, right?
Yeah. But another ball begins with the letter B.
What?
My pink ball.
Well, no. What other color ball begins with B?
Pink doesn't begin with
No.
the
What
B
color begins with B?
Blue.
Very good. So you gave me a blue ball for show and tell.
A blue ball.
And what was the other thing you showed me?
The doll.
What kind of doll was that? Because
Mommy.
doll doesn't begin with B. What kind of doll was she?
She was a Barbie doll.
Very good. Does Barbie begin with B?
Nope. Only ball.
What?
Just kidding.
I know. Does Barbie begin with B?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was just kidding, Mom.
Oh, okay. You had me going for a minute. All right.
Just kidding. Let's get started.
Yep. So we cut off the B. And so we have some stripes here. Heart. Some more stripes. And a little triangle. Okay. I don't see that. this uppercase or lowercase b?
Uppercase.
Is this uppercase or lowercase b?
Lowercase. That's uppercase.
I'm going to do that next. Oh.
Hi guys, so we're doing another B project now.
Is that uppercase or lowercase b?
We do uppercase now. So let's get started. We made a bear. Put yours up too. We made a bear. Isn't it cute?
said they're scared of bears?
Yeah.
These bears look cute. I don't think they should be scared of these bears. These are cute and
They don't
cuddly
have-
bears.
They don't have no teeth, guys. It's nothing to be afraid of.
They're friendly bears, right?
Yeah. Friendly. You can say that one too.
Mm-hmm.
Say it.
What? Say
What?
what?
What I said.
Friendly bears?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, they're friendly bears. I think we should lay our bears down because his eyes are sliding off his face. So let's let him stay down.
And dry.
Yes.
So, and then we can pay them next to the other ones.
Yeah.
Hey.
There are the other letters.
We made.
Okay. Slide over. Hands up, please. Okay. So I'm gonna put these here to dry.
This is mine.
And what's this?
A beetle.
A what?
The bumblebee.
Right. Okay, so what did we make?
We made a bear and another bear and a bumblebee. This is the fly.
It's not a fly. That's his what? What do they use to fly? What do they fly with?
The fly with wings.
Let's leave this down so it can dry.
Why the fly with wings? Like butterfly does. They got
Anything
two
else?
wings.
Which one is two? Show me two. That's not two. Is that two?
No, that's three.
Right. Show me two. No. Up. Why is that pinky? Okay. Two wings. Anything that flies has wings.
This got two wings.
This has.
This has two wings.
Yes.
Just like butterflies.
Right.
But bear, this one's yours, and this one was mine, Mommy, right?
Mm-hmm.
So let's put this down for to dry.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So they all begin with letter.
They all begin with letter B.
Very good. And which one is lowercase b? Lowercase. And which ones are very good? Uppercase. Good job.
This
Now,
is
what color are the bears?
brown.
Mm-hmm. And
Their hands,
right, that's
And the
brown. And
brown.
what color is their body?
They're all black.
Right. And what letter does brown and black begin with?
B.
Very good. So we got like a triple dose of B's.
Mommy, we got 3 B's.
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3.
So B for bumblebee, B for bear,
Mommy, I can say it. B for bumblebee, B for bear, and B for another bear.
and
Now you can
B
say it.
for black, and B for
And B is for brown.
very good.
It doesn't look like brown.
It doesn't look like brown.
Yeah, it does. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to dance. Make it to the loop. Like this. Find all these foot and swish on my neck. We love you, baby. Bye. And go.
Hold up, let's just back it up. Let's talk about love and not about lust. Let's talk about pain, let's talk about trust. Let's open our minds and we can discuss.